Welcome to the Roch Index.
Jorji, beginner question. People keep saying this coin has no liquidity. What does that even mean?
Great question. Liquidity means how easily you can buy or sell a coin without crashing its price.
So liquidity is like how much money is flowing inside the coin?
Exactly. If a meme coin has strong liquidity, people can enter and exit more easily. If liquidity is weak, even a small sell can hit the price hard.
So that's why some meme coins pump fast and dump even faster?
Yes, low liquidity makes prices more fragile. That's why in meme coins, you don't just watch hype, you also watch liquidity. Well, this is the part where I leave. I'm not paid for overtime, you know. Subscribe and goodbye.